Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time someone joins your Discord channel while using Discord Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable those viewer join sounds with the latest Discord update, so you can focus without constant interruptions. Let's get started. First, open up Discord directly from your web browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the official Discord site and log in as you normally would. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the notifications section. Click on notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Now you'll see a section labeled sounds. This is where Discord lets you control which actions trigger notification noises. Look for the option called Viewer Join. By default, this is usually enabled, which means you get a sound every time someone joins your channel. To turn off the viewer join sound, simply click the toggle next to it. When the toggle is off, you won't hear that notification anymore. It's as simple as that. No more distractions every time someone pops into your channel. Before you exit, make sure your changes are saved automatically. Discord updates your preferences in real time, so you don't need to hit any save buttons. Just close the settings menu and enjoy your quieter Discord experience. That's all it takes to disable viewer join notification sounds on Discord Web for PC with the new update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or anyone who might need a little peace and quiet while using Discord. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.